Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Dan Bongino, the political commentator, podcaster, and former law enforcement officer. In 2025, he made a big move into federal leadership. So, where is Dan Bongino now? Let's break it all down. Dan Bongino started his career in law enforcement. He was a New York City police officer from 1995 to 1999. Then joined the U.S. Secret Service and served until 2011, including roles in presidential protection. Later, he became a high-profile conservative media figure, hosting the Dan Bongino Show and speaking regularly on politics, security, and media issues. In early 2025, President Donald Trump announced Bongino's appointment as Deputy Director of the FBI, under new Director Kash Patel. The position doesn't require Senate confirmation, which allowed the transition to happen fairly quickly. Bongino left his media roles to assume his responsibilities in the Bureau, becoming the 20th person to hold that position. Where is Dan Bongino now? As of now, Dan Bongino serves as Deputy Director of the FBI, officially taking office on the 17th of March 2025. He works in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C., collaborating with FBI leadership on investigations, management, and policy direction. However, his future remains under scrutiny. In mid-2025, controversy around the Epstein investigation and internal tensions at the Department of Justice raised questions about whether Bongino might resign or face reshuffling. Dan Bongino's story is one of bold pivots from enforcement to media and now to one of the highest leadership roles at the FBI. His appointment is historic and controversial, especially given his lack of prior FBI experience. For now, he's in office, but with pressure mounting, many are watching to see if he stays or steps away.